Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, June 2nd in the year 2010, and you're watching Ron's World. Current temperature 74 degrees. It looks very nice out there. Going up to 89, just a pimple under 90, but the humidity is going to be down. Oh, that humidity yesterday. I saw a hen lay a hard-boiled egg. That's how hot it was. There I go with the dumb jokes. Let's have a sip of coffee. Breakfast blend. Green Mountain Breakfast Blend. So, tomorrow we're having another contest. I have the same $50 bill. Serial number ends in 594A. We ought to keep track of this, but I want somebody to win it. Just to show you this bill has been still sitting here all this time. Okay, listen, win this thing tomorrow. In fact, I'm going to start the contest 12 o'clock, 12:01 tonight if you're up late. You can start putting down the guesses at 12:01 tomorrow, after midnight tonight. Here it is. If you watch all my videos, they started on May 5th. If you didn't, you can go in the left-hand corner, go down, videos, see all. You can spin back and watch all the Ron's Worlds. What would the number 14 represent? The simple question, if you watch the videos, you may put this together or think about what you heard or seen. What is 14? Okay, what would that represent? Think about it. It's not hard. And if you get it, if you're the first one to write it down, yes, you can guess the same answer somebody else guessed. Last contest was a little confusing for some people, okay? A couple of you had a little trouble with it because of my trying to explain the rules. This is easy. Put the answer down. If someone else has it, it's the first one to get it right. That's written on that page. Please no deleting, one answer only. And the first person that has it gets $50 cash, PayPal, however you want me to send it to you, a check, a Visa card, gift card, it's going to be yours, all right? My appreciation for my loyal, faithful Facebook friends, my triple S, yo, like they say in the rap world. Yo, triple F, that's faithful Facebook friends. Yo is hello. It's rap music's world we're living in. Anyway, I'm going to go down the shore today on the beach. I wish some of you could come down there. I'm going to be in Belmar, New Jersey. I'll buy you some steamers, I'll buy you some oysters, whatever you feel like eating. I don't know if you can eat oysters at this time of the year. Anyway, forget all that stuff. Tomorrow, starting at 12 midnight tonight, 12:01, put your guess down. What does the number 14 represent in my videos? You probably figure it out, and you've probably heard it before. If you watched them, you'll know. And I wish you good luck. My friend of the day, Mary Alice Caesar Pattershaw. She's got the longest name on my friend list. Her name's like this long on the computer screen. Mary Alice Caesar Pattershaw. I hope I got it right. Thank you for being my friend. This girl is one of the hardest working girls that I ever met. If God made a harder worker, he must have kept her up there. Because Mary, she's all over. She ships horses in vans. She brings horses over to the races. She trains horses, owns horses. In fact, Mary, you're my friend of the day, but I'd like to give a shout out to all the female people that work, the female friends that work with thoroughbred horses. Anything to do with that business. You girls are the hardest working people I ever seen in my life. 7 days a week, early in the morning, grinding it out. God bless yous, man. The toughest workers in the world, the female with the thoroughbred. All right, God bless you, Mary. Thanks for being my friend. Win the money tomorrow. Any questions, please put them down today in the comments, and we'll try to answer them. I love you all. Have a good day. See you on the beach. What? How many times? You don't live 3 times. You don't live 2 times. You only live once, so come on down. Belmar, New Jersey, on the beach today. I love yous. Mwah.